Ever wondered how people in medieval times kept their treasures safe without digital codes or smart locks? Back in the Middle Ages, locks were built by blacksmiths, handcrafted from iron, with gears and ornate keys that looked like tiny swords. They weren't perfect. A skilled thief with the right pick could break in, but for their time, they were brilliant. Each lock was unique, custom-made, and a work of art. Fast forward to today, and our locks have gone from muscle to microchips, precision-cut metal pins, biometric scanners, even Wi-Fi controlled deadbolts. But the idea remains the same. One click of safety. From iron and hammers to silicon and sensors. Security may have changed, but fear of thieves never did. Now you know.